What's up guys, today I want to let you know about this insane Unreal Engine Spring Bundle from Lyrtis Studios. Lyrtis creates high quality Unreal Engine environments for the marketplace, and we always collaborate to give you the best bundles out there. And they just released a special limited time spring bundle. You can grab more than 46 packs worth $5,402 for only $39 using my affiliate link and coupon code SP60 to get an insane discount. The link is in the description. This is a limited time offer, so go quick before it ends. The quality in Lyrtis assets is really the best in the whole Unreal Engine community. They look at all the details, and I've used many of their assets in my videos and projects, and I simply love them. I mean, I even got this bundle for myself because I didn't want to miss on this opportunity. So let's jump into Unreal Engine and check some of the environments in the editor. Alright, so here's one of the packs that is included in the bundle, which is this amazing Magen Cave. And as you can see, it comes with a full, kind of built level where it showcases a really cool environment where you can play around. So, you can literally just use this already for your existing games. And of course, you also have a bunch of 3D models included that mounts this level that you can import into other games or whatever you're using for, and then just implement them into your worlds. Look at the level of detail in lighting as well, right? It's not only the 3D models, there's also lighting. There's, as you can see, like caustics because of the water right here, right? And look at the level as well. It's insane because it has multiple rooms, as you can see, right? So you're not only starting with this little thing, you have a complete level to play around, and you even have things like puzzles. Oh my god, look at this one. I don't know if you remember, but some months ago I did an adventure masterclass tutorial on YouTube where I used like a template. I would love to have used this one because it's insane. I mean, I had to build like the traps myself in the level, and this already has it, which is literally perfect. You can see it has even more. Oh my god, it's like a full maze. This is insane. It's just like infinite. Oh my god. There we go. This is the starting point. And here I just opened another of the packs that is included in the bundle, which is this fantasy dungeon, which looks insane. Once again, a whole level is included with insane lighting, and you can see also the quality of the models is insane. So let me just go ahead and move around this level. Wow, this is great. It's like a portal or something. Pretty cool. We can go down and we have different floors with different like traps and spikes. You could definitely do a really cool game over here, combining all of these levels. And yeah, if you go right over here, you will see all of the different 3D models that is included. Again, all super high quality, optimized for Unreal Engine and ready to be used. I love this. And here's another pack also included in the bundle. This is like a sci-fi kind of spaceship, level over here, which looks like a movie. It's amazing. And again, the demo level is included with all the lighting and everything, all of the techniques that they use, and of course a bunch of 3D models that you can use in all your games. And I wanna make sure that you guys know that this can be used anywhere in your games. You can do it for making your gameplay levels, for a cinematic, it doesn't matter. The only limit is like what you dream and what you can build in Unreal Engine, honestly, Look at this, with effects and everything. It's crazy. I love this spaceship right here. So that's it guys, you can get the bundle with the first link in the description. Make sure to go quick because the offer will end very soon, and make sure to also enter my coupon code so you get a 60% of a discount. And now, yes, with all said, bye.